Hello again, friends. Today we are going to take a critical look at the FDA and ask ourselves a couple of really simple questions. Are they living up to their mandate? Are we safer because of the job that they are doing? The Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, is an agency tasked with ensuring the safety and efficacy of food, drugs, and medical devices in the United States. It plays a crucial role in safeguarding the health of the American population. However, over the years, the FDA has come under scrutiny for its failures in adequately protecting the public from potential harm. From the slow approval process to regulatory loopholes, the FDA's shortcomings have put the lives of Americans at risk. This video aims to shed light on some of the ways in which the FDA fails to fulfill its mandate and why urgent reform is necessary. One of the major issues plaguing the FDA is regulatory capture, where the agency becomes overly influenced by the industries it is supposed to regulate. This influence can manifest in various ways, including industry-funded studies, revolving door employment between the FDA and the industries it oversees, and cozy relationships that compromise the impartiality of decision-making. Such conflicts of interest can lead to biased assessments, delayed actions, and lax regulation, ultimately jeopardizing public health. The FDA's lengthy approval process for drugs and medical devices has become a notorious bottleneck, causing significant delays in patients' access to potentially life-saving treatments. While ensuring safety and efficacy is crucial, the FDA's overly cautious approach often results in unnecessary hurdles for innovative treatments. Patients with terminal illnesses or rare diseases suffer the most, as they can't afford to wait years for a potentially life-saving drug to be approved. The FDA must strike a balance between safety and timely access to innovative treatments. The FDA's responsibilities extend beyond the pre-market approval process. It is also responsible for monitoring drugs and medical devices after they hit the market. However, the agency's post-market surveillance efforts have been woefully inadequate. Serious adverse events and long-term side effects often go unnoticed for extended periods, sometimes even after widespread usage. This lack of oversight not only compromises patient safety, but also erodes public trust in the FDA's ability to protect them. The FDA's oversight of dietary supplements is another area of concern. While prescription drugs undergo rigorous testing and regulation, dietary supplements are subject to less stringent scrutiny. This regulatory loophole allows unproven and potentially dangerous products to flood the market. Studies have shown that many dietary supplements contain undisclosed or harmful ingredients, putting consumers at risk. The FDA needs to strengthen its regulations and enhance post-market surveillance for dietary supplements to ensure their safety and efficacy. Transparency is a cornerstone of a trustworthy regulatory agency, but the FDA has been criticized for its lack of transparency in decision-making. The public often has limited access to crucial information such as clinical trial data, adverse event reports, and conflicts of interest. This opacity undermines public confidence and hinders independent scrutiny of the FDA's actions. The agency should prioritize transparency by proactively releasing information and involving independent experts to ensure accountability. The FDA's failures to adequately protect Americans highlight a broken system in dire need of reform. From regulatory capture and slow approval processes to inadequate post-market surveillance and insufficient regulation of dietary supplements, the agency's shortcomings put lives at risk and erode public trust. Urgent reforms are necessary to ensure that the FDA can fulfill its mission of safeguarding public health effectively. Enhancing transparency, reducing industry influence, expediting the approval process without compromising safety, and strengthening post-market surveillance are crucial steps to build a more robust and responsive FDA that can truly protect the health and well-being of all Americans. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please drop a like and subscribe and share these videos, comment on these videos. It would really help me out, and it doesn't cost you anything but a moment of your time. Thanks for your support, and if there are any subjects you would like me to make a video about, please add that in the comments section.